EPCB Boiler helps you become an industry leader by providing energy-saving and durable boiler systems and solutions. This is a garment factory. They chose EPCB steam boiler to provide steam and heat for production. Adopt a high-quality and low-cost electronic control system. Accurate monitoring of boiler operating data will make your boiler safer. Equipped with world-renowned brands such as Riello, Patek, Weishaupt, etc., to ensure that your burner can be as durable as a boiler. Adopt three-way structure, and arrange the interval of the smoke pipes reasonably to improve the boiler thermal efficiency. The sub-cylinder made of exactly the same material as the boiler, and the steam splitting hole is customized according to the production needs to ensure steam supply. Equipped with EPCB's carefully designed vent tube energy saver, the flue gas temperature can be reduced from about 270 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. And the recovered heat can be fully utilized by the boiler feed water. At present, EPCB's boiler is operating stably. It is our greatest honor to allow every factory to use a safe and reliable boiler system. EPCB, your private boiler system expert.